Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fork Over the Ring, where we all know the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I did my own DIY vanity with Hollywood lights for under $100. Like, this was like the most fun activity ever because I finally did something I really wanted. And it didn't cost me much, and now every morning I can get dressed under this good light, baby, okay? Because when you're getting ready for them dates, you want to make sure that you're getting ready in a nice spot. So, I'm going to show you how I made this. And again, like I said, under $100. So, first we're going to start off by measuring our wall. If you see before the table, there's a little table there that I have. And that's actually my desk that I created from IKEA. But that's not included in this video. So, I just kind of measured my wall off. And after measuring my wall, I actually went ahead and placed up my mirror. This mirror came from Lowe's. It's actually on the wall now with double-sided adhesive. Camera died during this part, so I didn't show you putting it on the wall. And now I have little mirror hooks. It only requires technically 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top. But because this is my first time really doing this kind of handiwork, I put 5 at the bottom and 1 at the top. And I only did 1 at the top because I probably have about a full pack of 20-pound hold adhesive on the back. And this mirror is only maybe about 12 pounds. So I know that this is really, really secure. I could have gotten a bigger mirror, but this is good for what I wanted. Then after the mirror, you drill everything into the wall. I go ahead and you're going to see my first attempt of putting these lights together. These lights were about, I think, $8 a piece from Lowe's, and they have them at Home Depot too. I got the chrome finish because the chrome looked better to me against the glass because it's a seamless finish. It's like a continuing finish rather. This is my first attempt. This was horrible. This was bad. Don't do what I did. Okay? What you will see me doing there, though, is I'm cutting off the top of the extension cord, that you will need that later. So let me show you the right way to do this, because that was the bad way. So you're going to go ahead. This time I have a workstation, because the first time I tried to do it, I was just trying to freehand it, and it was horrible. So I start off by opening the packages up. Per usual, I'm watching YouTube. Same way y'all watching YouTube now. I watch YouTube all day, every day. That's Pressy the dog, who is always in the way. So I start off by taking off the secure holders off the light racks. And then there's a little blue screw inside that you don't need. So I kind of got rid of it, and it's a copper wire. I get rid of the screw and the wire because I just don't need them. And then in these little orange bags you see on the side, those actually have like all the wire connectors and things you need. I had bought some extra ones, but I took them back because I just never opened them. And if you see on the counter as well, I have white and black cord or wire. I bought it by the 5-foot packages because I have more projects to do, but you can actually buy them by the foot. And you only need a foot for this project. So what I did was, if you see, all the wires are loose. So I cut off some black wire, and I'm cutting off the tip of it with some scissors. Not the wire itself, but I'm cutting off the protective covering, and I'm doing the same for the white. All I am doing, guys, is from one section to the other, I am connecting the white wires together on both ends and connecting them with a wire cover on the second end that I'm connecting them to. Look right there. We start with the black one. On the second end that I'm connecting it to, I connect that piece with the piece on the extension cord. So each of my sides has an extension cord. So let's see. You see the black one's connected. Now the white one's getting connected. Now, on this side is where my extension cord is going to fall through the bottom. So on the extension cord, there is a smooth side and a side that has ridges on it. The smooth side goes with black. The one with ridges goes with white. So again, like I did with the wires, I just simply took on the extension cord. I took off the part where the plugs go into. And now I'm connecting all 3 of the pieces. I'm connecting the extension cord, the black wire, and the black wire to the second one with the wire connector. And then I'm also doing the same with the white side. You do that, twist them on up, and put it on there. Now make sure you do leave some extra space as far as length in the wires, because these plates don't line up perfectly as far as the size of them. The bottom plates are smaller than the top plates. And then here I am actually using a cuticle clipper to bend the metal on this so that I can have a space for my wires to go through. so that my wires lay flat and you don't actually see them. So on my vanity, you see none of my wires because I was not playing none of them games. So if you see here, I'm tucking all the wires in. Kind of got to be like you're playing Tetris here, but you're fine. Space it out so that everything can fit, and voila. So now all we're going to do is we're going to take our bulbs. I got these bulbs from Lowe's, I believe. I got them from Lowe's, and I actually got them on sale, so I used the coupon, which is why I was under $100. I think if the bulbs were at full price, I would have probably been at $130. So I put the bulbs in just to test them to make sure they work before I did everything else. Because those bulbs did work, I was able to now go through and to place the covers back on, the chrome covers. I removed all the stickers that were on them because those were ugly to me. And as you can see, I'm pulling that cord just to make sure that those are tight together. As you can, and I'm over here, I'm actually biting the sticker off. My mama saw this, she would beat the heck out of me, but whatever. All right, and then we have one more to put on there. Then after that, we can go ahead and don't screw in your bulbs yet, because you can do that when it's actually on the wall. You can screw this into the wall. I was having a problem with screwing it, so I gave up. I took some more of that double-sided adhesive tape I have. It's actually the Scotch sticky ones that you're supposed to be able to pull off the wall. These hold up to 20 pounds. The same one I did on the mirror, I'm doing here. And I'm connecting the two in the middle. And then you're going to see me go through down the entire length of the lights and do it again. So you want to go all the way down and really just put as much as you want. I probably did overboard because that's just what I do. And I'm actually okay with that because for me, it made sure that I have the security I need. It's been up for about a week now and it hasn't come down yet. So I'm happy about it. And just make sure that you have the tape that you're putting on here, that it's not pushed too far over on the edge, because you don't want, when you're looking in the mirror, or if I, like for instance for me, if I record in front of this mirror, I do not want you guys to be able to see the tape that is hanging out from the bottom, because that's just not hot. And then this tape is also going to help us as a guide to be able to keep that white cord stuck inside. Now these are a little bit of a bitch to get the red part off. Not gonna lie to you, probably should have took it off before I put it down, but whatever. Go ahead and do it. And then, especially like everyone who lives alone, these little simple $20 tool sets I got from IKEA have been my best friend for every DIY project I've done so far. And if you look at the wall in this room when it's done, all of this came from IKEA, as far as these bookshelves on the side, this table, the desk underneath it, everything came from IKEA. And it has been like my best friend. So go ahead and you're going to push that on the wall. Excuse the paint on my booty. If you remember the last video, I painted these walls, y'all. So the paint is still there, okay? Don't judge me. Judge your mama. And it has been stuck to the wall. I thought my camera would have adjusted by now, but apparently it didn't. And then I screw my bulbs in. And that is it. And then the last thing I do is there's a little extension cord piece that I bought from Lowe's that you use to connect your, haha, now I moved it, dummy. There's this little extension piece that I bought from Lowe's that I can use to control my lights, so I don't have to unplug them every time I use them. It's like a little surge protector. You plug each side of it in. I'm opening it now. And you plug each side, you plug into your walls and you plug each side of those lights in, and then it's a battery operated, so I keep that battery in my top drawer. And that's really it. And then it works, y'all. I was so excited. It actually worked. I've been wanting a Vanity forever. My little brother is all up in my video. He's all right, guys, and that's really it. That's my little vanity. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I am going to actually link everything that I purchased down below, like where I got the light from, the mirrors, everything that I can remember. I'm going to link below. If I do find the coupons I used, I'll link those as well. But again, this is my vanity. It cost me under $100 online. This would have cost me about $250. And that's it. So this is my little morning routine. Here's your glimpse into my morning ratchetness. And yeah.
Dedicated to all the teachers that told me I never amount to nothing. For all the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from that called the police on when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And to all my peoples who were struggling, you know what I'm saying? So good, baby, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday that I would attack Mr. Magic Rolling Ball. I let my tape block to my tape pop. Smoking. What's wrong with you? I have to let you know that I got it. What's wrong with you? Hey, yo, shorty, won't you go get a bag of the lethal? I'll be undressed in a bra or see-through. Why you count your dues thinking I'ma cheat you? The only one thing I wanna do is freak you. Flipping stones as I got my own baguettes. And I be doing things that you won't forget.
All right, that's all y'all get for free, but make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on the gram, Snapchat, Twitter, all those locations, and I will see y'all in the next video.